Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to purchase CJs in the Lobstr wallet. So the first thing you'll need to do is make sure your Lobstr wallet is set up. So just download the Lobstr wallet either on Google Play or the iOS App Store and go through their registration process. It's pretty simple and you'll get to your home balance screen. The next thing you'll need is XLM. If you don't have XLM, you can click this, the three lines at the top left, the menu button, and click on Buy Lumens. And you can purchase XLM inside of the Lobstr wallet with a credit card. So if you wanted to just purchase $50 worth, for example, type in 50, hit continue, read through all of that, they'll process your payment, and you will be funded XLM once your purchase is complete. So now that you have XLM in your Lobstr wallet, first thing we're going to do is make sure you have the trust line to CJs added. So if you do, you could skip ahead to where we actually purchase CJs with XLM, but if you don't, we'll walk through that really quick. So the first thing you want to do is click on the sidebar menu and click on Assets. Then at the bottom, you want to click Add Asset. In the search bar, type in CJS, and you'll see CJs with cjscoin.com. Click Add. And then you need to type in your password to sign the transaction. And once you confirm that, the asset will be added. And there we go. So it takes a couple seconds because you're signing a transaction and sending it, but now we have the trust line. Once you see 0 CJs, that means that your trust line is set up. So in order to buy the CJs inside of the Lobstr wallet, once you have your trust line set up, we're going to go to the side menu and we're going to go to Trade. And usually it'll default to CJs or whatever, but this left-hand asset, you'll click that and make sure it says CJs. At the bottom left, you'll see Buy CJs, so tap that. And then type in how many CJs you want to buy. So in this example, I'm just going to buy 10 CJs. So you'll type in the amount of CJs you want, it'll tell you the price. It'll tell you the total in XLM. It'll say you'll buy 10 CJs for this many XLM or etc. Then click Buy CJs. They have this beta for their trading functionality. You can just hit agree and continue because you know what you're doing. You hit continue. And there we go. So now we have 10 CJs, and the reason it says the buy order was filled was because we were placing a buy at the lowest sell. So if we go back to our home screen, you can see that our XLM balance went down, and now we have 10 CJs. So now we could take these CJs and spend them with merchants. You can send them to your friends. You can do whatever you want. You can hold them, whatever. But that is a quick walkthrough on how to set up your trust line in the Lobstr wallet for CJs and how to purchase CJs with XLM. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to join our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, on Twitter. We also have a Discord server. Just go to cjscoin.com and scroll to the bottom and you'll see all of the links to our social media. We'll be happy to help you, and thanks so much for watching.